RenderBack 2.1 is here. RenderBack is a Blender add-on that allows you to perform command line rendering without the hassle of modifying your script for each project. This method can boost the rendering time by utilizing the console to render your scene, bypassing the Blender UI and freeing up some more processing power. What is new in version 2.1? Completion actions. I added the option to specify post-render actions such as Hibernate, Sleep or Shutdown to be automatically executed after the render is complete. Open directory on completion. New option to automatically open the folder where the rendered files are saved after the rendering process finishes. The add-on now generates a batch file to handle the rendering process and any post-render actions, allowing for more flexibility and improved rendering time. System notification. Introduced system notifications to alert the user when the rendering is complete. You can get the add-on on Blender Market or on my Gumroad. The links are in the description. The add-on for now only supports Windows. If you have any questions, suggestions, or if you run into any issues, feel free to reach out by inboxing me on one of the two sites. Thanks for watching. Till next time.